Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. So today I'm going to start a new tutorial on socket.io. I will start completely from scratch, and make sure you have subscribed and pressed the bell icon to get the latest update on this tutorial. So today I will cover what is socket.io and the installation of socket.io. So what is socket.io? Socket.io is a JavaScript library that enables real-time bidirectional event-based communication between browser and server. It works on every platform like Linux, Windows, or any browser device, focusing equally on reliability and speed. So in the next diagram, we will see it more briefly. Here you can see three clients are there: client 1, client 2 and client 3. You can consider these clients as a browser. So client 1 here sending a message or request to chat server, and the chat server is sending a message or response to client 1, client 2 and as well as client 3. And you can see that it is a bidirectional communication. So whenever client 1, client 2 or client 3 is sending some message to chat server instantly sending that message to the rest of the clients. So what are the real-time applications of socket.io? Instant messengers. Whenever someone sends some message, you get that message instantly. That is the instant messenger. And the next is push notification. Suppose you have outdated app in your device, so your Play Store or App Store sends you a notification to update those apps, and it is the push notification. Collaboration applications. Suppose you have outdated app in your device, or you have seen like apps like Google Sheet where many users can edit at the same time. So this can be achieved with socket.io. And the next is online gaming. Online gaming, there are some games like Counter-Strike, PUBG, where there is bidirectional communication while playing. So socket.io can be used there. So the next slide is why we use socket.io. So it is bidirectional communication. Why bidirectional communication? In traditional PHP based communication, the chat server has to always keeps track on timestamp. But in socket.io, no tracking is required. No tracking on timestamp is required anymore. Whenever any event occurs, it sends to the opponent nodes, or you can say opponent client or server. And easy code structure. So it is always easy to make a chat server with socket.io than the traditional PHP way, and you have to write much more lines of code in PHP if you want to make a chat server. So that's it. Now we will see the prerequisites of learning socket.io. So that is Node.js. You have to install Node.js first to use socket.io, as you will use the server side of it. You need text editor just like VS Studio, Atom, Sublime Text or anything else, and basic knowledge of HTML and JS. And the knowledge of Node.js will be an advantage to you. So now we will see the installation of socket.io. So for installing socket.io in your system, you have to check the version of node and npm. So open terminal into any directory and check the version of node and npm. So write node space -- version to check the node version. So you have seen that the node version of 12.4.0 is installed here, and again you need to write
npm space /version to check the version of npm, and you can see the version of 6.9.0 is installed for npm here. So now we need to create a directory here. So write mkdir and your directory name. I am naming it as test project. So test project, and also you need to enter into the directory. So write cd space test dash project, and into that directory you need to initialize in your npm package manager. So just write npm space init and press enter, and it will ask for the package name and many things. Just keep pressing enter here so until you find the last one, and here you need to write yes, or you may press also enter here. So now you have to just install the express socket.io for the server purpose. So write npm, before npm just write sudo to give the root access. So write npm sudo space npm install space / save express space socket.io and press enter, and it will ask for your password. Just give it and press enter. So you need to wait for some time to install it. So now again you have to install nodemon. So the idea behind using the nodemon is whenever you need to start the server, instead of using the node space app.js, use nodemon space app.js, and this will ensure that you do not need to restart the server whenever you change a file, or whenever you change a file or something else. It speeds up the development process. So write here sudo space npm space install space -g space nodemon and press enter, and again it will take some time to install it in your machine. So that is everything for today, and please click on the subscribe and like button if you like this video, and see you in the next video.